So here in this problem, we are given two vectors, alpha vector and beta vector. Now both of these two vectors are linear combination of the vectors a and b, where a and b are both non-collinear vectors. And we have a relationship between the two vectors, alpha and beta. It's given here that 3 times alpha vector equals 2 times beta vector, which also suggests that these two vectors are collinear. Now using this information, we need to find out the value of x and y. Okay, let us begin. Now since we have here given that 3 times alpha vector equals 2 times beta vector. So let's substitute the value of alpha vector and beta vector. So we have 3 times x plus 4 times y times a vector. And we have 3 times 2x plus y plus 1 multiplied to b vector. This is going to be equals to 2 times beta vector. So we have 2 times negative 2x plus y plus 2 multiplied to a vector plus 2 times 2x minus 3y minus 1 times b vector. So now we have 3x plus 3 times 4y will be 12y. So I have 3x plus 12y multiplied to a vector. Added to 3 times 2x will be 6x plus 3 times y plus 3 multiplied to b vector. That's going to be equals to, so 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x plus 2 times y plus 4 times a vector. Added to 2 times 2x will be 4x minus 2 times 3y will be 6y minus 2 times b vector. Okay, now what we'll do, we will combine a vector from the left hand side and the right hand side by transposing the first term on the right hand side to the left hand side. So that's going to give us 3x plus 12y plus 4x minus 2y minus 4 whole multiplied to the vector a. Added to, now we have 6x plus 3y plus 3 minus 4x plus 6y plus 2 times b vector equals to 0, but it has going to be a vector, so we have the null vector on the right hand side. Further simplification gives us 3x plus 4x will be 7x, 12y minus 2y will be 10y, so we're positive 10y, minus 4 whole multiplied to the vector a. Added to, next we have 6x minus 4x, so that's 2x. Then we have 3y plus 6y, so that's going to be 9y. 3 plus 2 will be positive 5 times b vector equals to the null vector. Now, since it's given here that a vector and b vector are non-collinear vectors, and we have this particular vector, which is the linear combination of these two vectors, a and vector equals to 0 vector, this must imply that 7x plus 10y minus 4 must be equals to 0, and 2x plus 9y plus 5 must be equals to 0 as well. So our goal will be to solve this two equation to find out the value of x and y. So let's do that. This is going to give us x equals to 2 and y equals to negative 1. Now this I'll be leaving as an exercise for you to solve. It's a very simple linear equation in 2 variables. So we have successfully solved the problem. We were asked to find out the value of x and y. X will be 2 and y will be negative 1.